everyone, how's it going? It's Jewel Tolentino here. Alright, so in this video, I'm going to show you guys how to do a listing on Facebook Marketplace, and this is the mobile version. So if you want to see how I did a listing through Facebook Marketplace on desktop or your laptop, you guys can head down to the description below because I already have that tutorial. This is going to be from your cell phone, so on mobile. Okay, so I just clicked on the Facebook app, and from here to get to your marketplace, you want to look at the bottom tab there, and you're going to see a little like house. Well, it's a storefront, and it's got a little one there for me because I got like a message or something, notification. That's the marketplace. So you want to click on that. And then in the top left-hand area, you're going to see sell. So you want to click on that. And then from here, it's going to ask you, okay, what are you selling? And for me, it's going to be items. And then from here, you want to add your photos. Now, before you even start doing a listing, you want to make sure that you've taken your photos and you've jotted down like a couple of bullet points about the product. Okay, so from here, I'm going to click add photos and then find the photos on my phone. All right, so here are some of the photos that I want to use. I want to use this one, that one, and this one. So I'm going to click done. And then you'll see here as you scroll across that you'll see the different photos. And let's just make sure that they're good. Let's just click on this one because this one's kind of like horizontal. So I'm going to click on the top right of the photo. And you see on the bottom left, it says rotate. So I want to just rotate that until it's right side up. Click done. And then it'll be right side up. This one can be okay with being horizontal because it's kind of like showing the side of the phone. And everything looks good. Next, you want to add your title. So this is a Samsung Galaxy A8 smartphone. I also like to put other words. Cell phone. And then I'm going to put great condition. Okay, and then I'm going to choose a price here. I usually start off pretty high, and then we'll see if there are any takers at that price. And then from there, I'll start lowering it because usually people on Facebook Marketplace are going to try and lowball you and give you lower offers. So that's why I like to start at a higher price. So I'll start something like there. And they have a whole bunch of categories here listed. And here, this is cell phone and accessories. And within that, you can see they've got cell phone accessories, cell phones, smartwatch accessories, smartwatches. So this is a cell phone. So I'm going to click the condition now. And it is pretty much like new. And it says here, if you're offering different options, basically if you've got multiples of the product, at this point I don't. I only have the one cell phone. I'm going to skip past the network carrier and the unlocked part. I'm going to click location, downtown Vancouver, click apply. Now we want to fill in the description. Alright, so I've finished the description here, and it's kind of like my standard template of doing listings. So I usually state the price at the top again. And then I want to state that it is what condition it is, what the model is, the storage, the color, what it comes with. I just want to be as descriptive as possible so that people know exactly what they're getting, and that, when we show up on the day to do the exchange or whatever, that they're not going to be surprised. I also put this line here, this phone has been reset to manufacturer settings and is ready for the next user, showing people that, I've already cleared it out and it really is ready for the next person. I also give people ideas on what this, can be used for. Parents could buy this cell phone for their kids to play games on. I'm telling people to message me if they're interested, and then I put serious inquiries only. And then at the bottom, I state where I can meet. I can meet in these different cities because I am moving around, so it depends on where you are, and you state where you can meet. Next is the tags. So I'm gonna put cell phone, smartphone, Samsung, Galaxy, used, cell phone, used, phone. And then also here you can list the availability. So if this is like I said, this is the only cell phone that I have. So if you have multiples, then you can choose, you know, if you have a stock of an item, like I said, if you have multiples. I don't, this is the only one. And then here it says here you can offer shipping. If you're willing to ship your product out, you can just click that. And another thing here, it says let buyers know you prefer a drop off or pickup. And another option here about privacy settings, you can click this if you want to hide this from your friends. It says if you turn this on, this listing will be hidden from your Facebook friends, but visible to other people on Facebook. So if you don't want your friends or family seeing that you're listing something, you can check that. I'm okay with having them see that, so I'm going to click next. And then here it'll show you other places that you can list if you're part of other Facebook groups. I don't want to spam any other groups, so I only usually just click the Facebook Marketplace. So once you click that, it says here that the listing is in review. They're just going to check it out and they're going to approve it if you meet the Facebook Marketplace guidelines. All right, guys, so that is how you do a Facebook Marketplace listing on your cell phone. Like I said, if you want to know how to do it from your desktop or your laptop, head down to the description below as I will have the video for that as well. So if I was able to help you out at all, please let me know by giving this video a like, a comment, or subscribe. All that would be very much appreciated. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.